sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. Today I'm going home, which is bizarre because I have been on board this ship for months and months and months and months and months. So it's really weird that I'm actually flying home today. Don't really, yeah, it is. I just feel really strange. Goodbye. Off we get. It's time to go home. I feel really emotional now. So weird.
There's some stains on your photo. They all cracks on your rusty frame. Stuck in the mud.
This airport is huge. Just as I think I have got to my gate, I haven't. I'm nowhere near it. So now I'm rushing a little bit because I'm supposed to be at my gate now, and I think I'm still about a 10-minute walk away. I'm here. It's at the very end of the airport, but it doesn't matter. I'm here, queuing up, get on the flight to go home. But yeah, feeling. I don't really feel much at the airport because obviously there's so much going on. So off we go, getting on the plane, which I'm really. I'm not nervous about flying. I think I'm just feeling nervous because it's setting in that I'm going home, which is a strange feeling after being away for months.
You grew old in suburbia.
Okay, and now we are off at the other end, and you can definitely feel a temperature drop, but it's fine. We'll jump on in a minute. I slept the whole way, which is wonderful. I think I fell asleep as we took off, and then I woke up as we were starting to land, which is great. So now I'm going to get my cases and go and meet my dad because he's coming to pick me up. Well, hello. I am home. So I got home yesterday and I sat down this morning to edit all of that footage. And when I say all of that, I'm being sarcastic because obviously I realised that I had got 5 minutes of footage. I was just not in the right space yesterday. I was like sad but happy but excited and also terrified, and there's just a lot of emotions. So I apologise for the lack of vlog content. As you could see, the airport was ridiculous. It was so busy. I had to wait for 1 hour to check in. I got quite concerned. I was like, oh my god, I'm not going to make it, because while I was waiting for check-in, I was looking over at the security line, and I was like, well, that looks the same length as the check-in line. So if I have to wait an hour to go through security, like, there's no way I'm going to make this flight. Luckily, when I got to the security line, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. I mean, well, it was, but it was moving a lot faster than I thought it was. So it only took me like 15 to 20 minutes to get through security. I sped walked to the plane and got on just in time, which worked out perfectly. And then I slept the whole way on the plane. I basically got back home and got straight into my bed, because I tell you what, and anyone who's watching this who's been away from home for a significant amount of time will know that the thing you miss more than your parents, than your friends, is your bed. So yeah, I have slept very, very well. And I've got a bit of a sore throat, which to be honest always happens when I get back from ships. I think it's that like sudden stopping of everything. Because as I've said, when you work on a cruise ship, everything happens at 1,000,000 miles an hour. So then to come back home and just stop, your body almost goes like, what's going on? And most of my friends will agree, when they finish their contract and go home, It doesn't matter about the weather, whether they're going home to Australia or England, they get a cold. And I think it's just because of the sudden like change of pace, which is needed, but it just takes a little bit of time to adjust. Although I'm very fortunate because I've got people who want to see me, I have just said I need a few days to just like get to grips. I need to unpack, I need to do laundry, I need to just get myself sorted, and then I'm going to start seeing my friends and seeing my family and stuff and getting ready for Christmas. Oh, holy moly. I literally haven't even thought about that, but obviously coming home and everyone's geared up for Christmas, so I'm like, oh yeah, that thing that happens every year. So that's something I've got to get my head around because it's just around the corner. So yeah, but it is lovely to be back. But I'm going to catch up on a bit of TV while I'm home. I'm going to watch the new Peaky Blinders, and I want to watch House of Dragon, and yeah, just some little things like that. Maybe I'll rewatch Friends just because I can. Like, I don't really watch TV or anything while I'm away because I'm so busy just doing other things. Now is my time, you know, at home. I'm in England, so the weather's a bit crap, so it's the perfect time to just snuggle up with a cup of tea and watch stuff that I've wanted to watch while I've been away. Yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, as you guys know. And if you have any video suggestions, if there's anything you want to see while I'm home, then let me know. I'm not really too keen on, well, it's not that I'm too keen, but I haven't really thought about showing my life at home. One, because I don't think anyone would be interested in it, because as I said, I'm going to be watching House of Dragons and Peaky Blinders with a cup of tea. But also, like, obviously the channel is about cruising and being a crew member, so yeah, probably not going to show much of my home life. But if you want any information, or if there's a specific video you want, let me know. I'm at home, I'm not doing anything, my mind's not cluttered, or it won't be cluttered, so I will have time to make plans for new videos, new content. So any suggestions you have, they are always welcome, but especially now because I will have the time to actually get them done. But thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, whatever you decide to do, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.